araw bago ang finale week, may digital milestone ang Encantadia Chronicles Sangre. Nakatanggap ng Gold and Silver Play Button Creator Awards ang official YouTube channel nito matapos maabot ang more than 1 million subscribers. Simula sa Lunes, mapapanood na sa GMA pagkatapos ng 24 oras ang The Master Cutter. Sa grand media launch ng pinakabagong GMA Action Drama Series, ipinasilip na ang pilot week sa cast, crew, and media. Dumalo rin si GMA Entertainment Group Officer in Charge, Cheryl Ching-si, at iba pang opisyal ng GMA Network.
Wow, parang hindi lang siya action, hindi lang siya spectacle, but grabe yung puso nung series. At the heart of Master Cutter really is a father and son story. It's a story about a modern family. Diba? It's a father and daughter story. So makikita mo rin dito yung interesting characters ng lahat ng tao sa barangay. At ang saya lang panoorin ng sabay-sabay.
Sa pagbabalik GMA Prime ni Dong, gaganap siya bilang si Atoy na isang tailor o sastre by day at elite bounty hunter by night na tinagurian ding Master of Disguises. Makakasama niya rito sina Max Collins, Kapuso child star Shena Stevens at iba pa. Aubrey Carampel, GMA News.